What's up, everybody? Welcome to a new passive income video. Well, today's not much of a passive income video, but Christmas came early, or late, I guess. A few days late. Guys, free course on the website. Free Instagram plus Redbubble mini course. I wouldn't call it a mini course. I would actually call it a course. I'm going to change the name to course. It's a full-on course. There's a full-on members area in the course, guys. If you guys want it, all you have to do is click on this sign me up button. You could sign up with, your name, your email address, and you create your own password. If you're already a student on the website, meaning you already have a membership with other courses, then, like for example, if you have the Redbubble course already, like your the Redbubble tagging course, then just type in your email and the current password that you already have with the login button, and you're going to be sent to a page that will tell you to go check your email, and your email will have the login information. It will have the little link where you can go ahead and log in to the course. Okay, guys? So that email is going to be holding the login information for the course specifically, for this specific course, guys. Now, guys, what this course really is, it's a free Redbubble Instagram course. Redbubble, as you guys know, it's not easy. It's not easy. There's a lot of work associated with it. If you just put up a bunch of designs on Redbubble and hope that they sell, you're essentially leaving up your success to the chance of the Redbubble gods. Now, there's nothing wrong with that, and some people really enjoy waiting for Redbubble to create sales for them, but some people, on the other hand, might want to take things into their own hands, and they want to control their success, and they might want to use Instagram to go ahead and do so. So, guys, I came out with the free Instagram plus Redbubble course. I intended on keeping this for free because, honestly, guys, I'm just a man of my word. I said I would keep it for free. I said I would do it, and I took the time, and I did it. Now, is the course fully complete? No. Inside the members area, you'll see if something you click on is not fully complete, it will just say coming soon. And I promise the course will be completed soon, but most of the course is already there, and you can watch that content and consume that content and get going on your Instagram journey already with the amount of information that's there. So we're going to be adding more and more information to the course. And guys, of course, in the future, we're going to have more courses. We already have the tagging course. So this course here is about learning how to tag, learning how to do the SEO properly for both Redbubble and the Google search engine. That course was a win. Everybody loves it. Who's joined. Everybody's enjoying the course. Lots of information going in there. In fact, just yesterday, I believe, we added a total of 6 new videos to the course. And then a few days before that, we added 5 extra videos. So we're always adding more content to this specific course, the tagging course. And just to, we're going to have a whole bunch of different products on this website, guys. The Autopilot Passive Income website. We got the free Redbubble Instagram course, and we got the Redbubble Google SEO course. We also have a mini course to learn how to blend designs, if that's something you guys are interested in. Guys, we're trying to be the #1 place for all this information for print on demand, Redbubble, and we're starting with Redbubble. Redbubble is going to be the place to start, so we're just going to be giving out some free information, some paid information, and yeah. So this is my way of just giving you guys a free gift. There's no actual content video for today. This is just like an update. So if you guys want to grab this specific course, I'll leave the link in the description box down below. It will be the only link, and it will take you right here to the website. The website, if you want to access all the other stuff, it's autopilotpassiveincome.com. And the course, I'll leave the link in the description to the course down below, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoy the course, and feel free to let me know what you think about it. Write comments in the videos in the course, and contact me and tell me what you think about it, all right? I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. Bye.